How to get banner pattern in Minecraft. So first you will need to craft a banner first. To do that, you simply need a crafting table. Then you need 6 pieces of white wool and some sticks. So first you just simply need to place it like this. Then place a stick here at the bottom. Now you will have your white banner. Now once you have your white banner, what you want to do now is just simply first you could craft the pattern. So you could basically craft them using these materials. So the skull. So we will need the golden enchanted apple. So this is the wrong one. So we need the enchanted one. Open it up, place it right there. So as you can see, we now have this pattern. Next with the wither skeleton skull, we now have this pattern. And with the daisy, we now have this pattern. So there are more patterns available right there, but that's how you do it with these three materials. It's the same for other materials. You just simply need to place it right there along with the paper. So as you can see, I have 3 patterns right there. So if you don't want to craft it, you could either go to like the trial chambers and stuff and get to the vaults, and they sometimes drop the pattern right there. But if you want to place it on the banner, right, you just simply need to get a loom. Just simply open up the loom, place your white banner, then get the color dye that you want. So let's say I want the light blue dye, then place the pattern that you want. So let's say I want the flower one. Place right there, and now as you can see, I now have the light blue flower charge right there. Now you can just simply place it right here or anywhere you want, but that's how you basically get banner patterns in Minecraft.